Here's your weather video for this Sunday, August the 8th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and many thanks to Scott Martin for sitting in for me for the past 2 weeks as we got a little beach time in. Beautiful time to be at the beaches of Alabama and Northwest Florida. A little hot, splash and dash showers and thunderstorms, very few waves, very warm water, but a nice time to be at the beach, as is almost any time. Let's look at the upper pattern across the tropical Atlantic and parts of North America, at least the eastern two-thirds of it, so we can kind of get the big picture of what's going on. Weak trough departing the Carolinas today. Set off a few showers, thunderstorms across Alabama yesterday. If you happen to get under one, you got some really heavy rain very quickly. We had just about half an inch here in a short period of time. The interesting thing, though, was a lightning bolt on the back side of that storm, well away from the precipitation. Got my attention as I was watching the end of the system. The rain had already ended, and just about 2/10 of a mile away, that strike and some loud thunder certainly got my attention. And as a reminder that you have to pay attention to lightning even away from the thunderstorm. On the backside of it, that was quite surprising. As that storm intensified to the east of us, it threw down a lightning bolt near us. Now the ridge builds over Alabama in the southeast. This is Wednesday. That same upper pattern showing Alabama getting under increasing high pressure, but the fly in the ointment is that it'll sort of be a dirty ridge. And when we say that, we mean there's a lot of moisture trapped in it. And with the heating of the day, you'll see maybe slightly elevated shower and thunderstorm chances each day. We go out to next Saturday. Look at this weakness here over the southeast, eastern Florida. That could be a tropical system. We'll be watching that in a moment. Of course, it is that time of the year where it gets real interesting to watch what's going on in the tropics. 3 systems competing for the energy in the Atlantic. You see System 1, System 2, and System 3 on the infrared satellite picture. The GFS sort of develops this system as it moves into the Lesser Antilles, the Virgin Islands, moves north the Greater Antilles toward the Florida Straits, Cuba, and that area by early next week. We'll have to be watching that. The second system has some development according to some of the models. The third system has sort of trailed off a little bit. It originally looked like it might be the most interesting one. We'll use the GFS. Here by Monday night, it shows that first system approaching the northern Leeward Islands and has a closed circulation. Could be a tropical depression, could be becoming a tropical storm. It sort of meanders along a path that carries it over Puerto Rico, the Hispaniola, and then into the Florida Straits. Look here east of Fort Lauderdale. Next Saturday morning, circulation showing up a little more clearly there. Never really developing into a major storm until it sort of meanders along the coast most of the following week and then begins to get its act together, looking sort of more like a nor'easter, but probably a subtropical or tropical storm, most likely a tropical storm at that point, beginning to intensify but moving away. That's a very interesting situation. The icon model has been very interesting lately, indicating that it could see some development of this system there near the northern coast of Cuba. This is out at Friday at 12Z at the end of that run, showing it could go anywhere at that point, and the Canadian even has it in the Gulf of Mexico by that following Tuesday, the 17th. Boy, that's an interesting day in weather history. August 17th, 1969, that was Hurricane Camille striking the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Don't expect anything like that, but it's just far too early to tell where this system could end up, even if it does develop at all. Now, for today, we're going to expect partly cloudy, hot and humid conditions across Alabama. Very few showers and thunderstorms according to the HRRR. If this is right, rain chances today very small. The 3-kilometer NAM tomorrow kind of echoes that for Monday. Very few, if any, showers and thunderstorms across Alabama. That could be quite likely switched to the GFS by Tuesday, showing that ridge of high pressure over the southeastern United States. And again, scattered showers and thunderstorms, Wednesday, broken record for Thursday. I think it's interesting that it tries to push a front in here from the north on Friday night. You see increased showers and thunderstorms Friday night into early Saturday, and again Saturday night into Sunday morning. more the same. Scattered showers and thunderstorms becoming a little more likely. Temperatures just slightly above normal for this time of year, both daytime highs and overnight lows. Lower to middle 90s, lower to middle 70s. Just slightly warmer than we would expect for this time of year, but a fairly typical summertime pattern, and we'll be watching the tropics with interest. Hope you got a chance to watch Weather Brains this week or download it from your favorite podcasting platform. Dr. Jonathan Martin, University of Wisconsin. Fascinating talk about Reginald Sutcliffe, a famous British meteorologist who contributed so much to our field. I think that the main thing you'll take away from this show, if you go back and listen to it, you'll want to go back to school and have Dr. Martin as a professor. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, the 8th of August. I'll have notes on the blog and update on the forecast at noon. And James will be back in 2 days tomorrow. Scott will see you next Saturday. I'll see you next Sunday. And until then, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.